Inkosi Sipho Mahlangu unconywe inhlangothi tonke ngenzima la idlalile asaphila.
The news of Undabezitha Mahlangu's untimely passing came as a great shock to us, considering the pivotal role he played in the nation's risk-adjusted strategy of containing the devastating impact of the COVID-19 pandemic in communities across the nation.
Emndenini wakhe bekuyindvodza lecotfo.
My dad was my best friend. We used to hang out all the time. From road trips to jam sessions to daddy-daughter dates, we took every opportunity to hang out. But Daddy was a people's person, filled with love and compassion. And even though he had a busy schedule, he never made me feel like he was too important or busy for me.
Ndabezitha, you have left me with a huge responsibility and a mammoth task. But I thank you for preparing me and ensuring that I am a perfect fit to this family and a chiefdom. This chiefdom is particularly an important pillar to carry forward and implement your vision and resuscitating the economy in the rural areas.
Bekuyinkosi lengasabi lutho. Inkosi ikhotheme ngesikhathi sadzingeka kakhulu.
By the time of his departure, the foundation was established. The master plan will transform the rural landscape of South Africa and secure development of rural masses, especially the youth and women. From Inkosi Mahlangu's work, which he did with passion, with love.
Mahlangu bekuhamba mbili kulawo bakhuluma kabanzi ngemsebenzi lowenziwa abaholi benzabuko nemphakathi yelutsabeni lwemhlaba. Waba yokucala kulabo labakhala ngokuthi akungedwe isikhathi sekuthola luvo lwesive kulolu dzaba. Lo mthetho lungu-section 25 kumthetho sisekelo kuhloswe ngawo ukuthathwa kwemihlaba ngaphandle kwesincipheteliso. Ukukhothama kwakhe kuda nje lo mthetho sewuya ngasekuphothuleni. Ushiye umngakhe nebantwana bamantombazane lababili. Kwangathi umoya wakhe ungalala ngekuthula.